Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Alright, so we start off today's video with this big chop. Now she has got some beautiful thick hair here. Oh, she ends up getting like a curly bob style, shaggy cut, full bangs going there in the front, and the curls are popping. This is really cute. So moving on to transformation number 2, the stylist chops off the hair. Now she's got some grown out color here. Looks like the stylist did color the hair. Oh no, he didn't. He kept the ombre look here. Added some bangs. This is chic. I like how she has the red lip too. So moving on to look number 3. This one is going to feature a big chop. She's got some long, beautiful waist length hair. Looks like she's going to get some color. Possibly. Let's see. She looks super nervous. So he chops off that hair. That's probably like about, I don't know, 10 years of hair growth, depending on how fast your hair grows. So she does get the color. Ooh, okay, I feel like she got more of like a grown-up hairstyle here. Wow. Color and cut. Perfect. So moving on to the next one. Now she already has hair like around shoulder length. It looks like at one point she had some money piece highlights going. So the stylist just kind of washes the hair. Oh, he did some layers. And she kept her color, so you can really see the money piece highlights now. Hair looked absolutely gorgeous. And then we have another layered look. This, of course, is a high in demand hairstyle. Gives you a lot of volume. And then here we have another cut refresh. So she has a pixie already. She has a beautiful head full of hair. So she is getting some color here. Oh, did I see blue? Okay, I don't that much. Okay, so I guess she's like going darker. Oh yeah, you can really see the blue here. Wow, this is cute. And the blue is like so subtle, like you'd have to be in the right lighting to really see it. But that is gorgeous. So here we have, now it looks like she has more of a layered hairstyle here. Oh, she wants to go short with a bob. I wonder if she's gonna get that color done too. So he just chops off that hair. Oh, there's the color. It looks like she got highlights though. It doesn't look like she went like copper. Oh, gorgeous. The color. Beautiful amount of dimension there with the hues and the layers. It really just makes the color pop even more. So pretty. So here we have someone now, looks like she is in for a cut refresh as well. She already has the shorter pixie going on. Salt and pepper hair. Which of course the stylist knows a thing or two about since he is rocking some grays himself. So he does cut the hair, shape it up. Beautiful feathered bangs going here in the front. Now that is a great way to get some volume, the feathers. Super cute. This is like a classic 90s style pixie here. So here we have someone else who already has short hair. She's got a bit of color there. Stylist does a cut refresh. And she did have a bit of color on the ends. It looks like the stylist is just kind of cutting that right off. Oh, he kind of did like a choppy style pixie. A lot of texture in that one, almost like a baby mullet. Wow, look at her hair. So it looks like she wants a bob. Now, I already know this bob is going to have a lot of volume because she has naturally thick hair. Gorgeous. Nice, simple, and chic. And she can wear the hair curly too. She does have that natural thick curly texture, so she can do like a wash and go. And then we have another bob transformation. Another gorgeous bob, the center part down the middle. Simple and chic. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's hairstyles. Please give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.